Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Barry J. So for tonight's vlog, we are going to unbox a special gift from South Korea. And this is very special because it matches my shirt today. It's green because one of the packages that I received from South Korea is from Innisfree. So you can see this one. This is the continuation of my previous vlog. If you watched that, I used the green tea serum. So this one is another product from Innisfree. So if you're interested, please keep watching. So guys, if you are new to my channel, by the way, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down below so that you'll be updated in my upcoming YouTube videos in my channel. So without further ado, let's try to unbox now the package that I got from Innisfree. By the way, I would like to say thank you to one of my Korean friends, Miss Soyeon Kim from South Korea. She's from Seoul, by the way. She sent me this one as a Christmas gift. Wow, amazing. Thank you so much. 감사합니다. So now I'm going to unbox this. So let's start it. Let's get it on. I have here my scissors and try to Oh my god, this is so good. I already take this side. I already open it. I will see what's the inside. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. This is so cool. She also sent me a Starbucks planner, South Korean edition. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Wait, let's open this one. Wow. The first one is Innisfree Steven Harrington Green Tea Serum Green tea seed serum set. So this is the first one, and I like the package. You can see it's the Christmas edition. As you can see my background, we are still in Christmas. Yay! Wow, my goodness. Let's open it. My god, this is awesome. Wow. You can see this. And you know what? It's different from my previous Innisfree because that one was in a small box, but this one has a new case. Oh my god! So it's just like the same as mine before, but the thing that this is only a small box, but they are all, you know, they're just put in one area. So this is a green tea seed serum in a new bottle. The green tea balancing cream, this one. And what's this? Green tea balancing lotion. And the last one is, what's this? The green tea balancing skin. So it's almost the same with my previous Innisfree if you watch my previous vlog, but don't you worry guys, I will put it there, my vlog, my Innisfree vlog. Okay, alright, so let's get it on. Let's go to another box. Alright then, let's go to another one. Para ako nagbubukas sa mystery box from Lazada. Okay, let's get it on. Oops. Another green tea seed serum set. I have two already. This one. I think they're all the same. Let's open it. Ah, they're just the same. They're all just the same. Oh my god, I'm so happy. This is so expensive here in the Philippines. I cannot afford to buy this one. Ah, two. Okay, let's get another one. Wow. Oh my god, I have plenty of these. This is a third box. What's this? Green tea seed serum set. Wow, what's another one? This is the new one. It's bigger. It's a bigger version. So meaning I will never run out of green tea seed serum. Oh, thank you so much, 감사합니다. This is so fabulous. Love this. Wow, so cute. And there's another two like this inside. I hope you can see. It's too many. And I can see this one. It's my first time to have a 2022 Starbucks planner from South Korea. But guys, disclaimer, before I get this package, I already spray it with Lysol, so virus is gone. Wait, this is the Starbucks planner from South Korea. It's different from Starbucks planner here in the Philippines. Challenge for change. Wow, this is so good. And it's so cute. Look. Wow, amazing. And there's a letter inside. Wow, this letter is so cute. Happy. I will read this one later. And there's a 2022 Starbucks calendar. Wow, it's for the table. Oh, so cute. And another Starbucks planner. And another two like this. So it's a total of 3 green tea seed serum set in a smaller size and another green tea seed serum set in a bigger size. So, and 2 planner and a 2022 Starbucks calendar edition. Korean Starbucks. And a letter. So that's all, guys. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing, and I will do another. I already have another video for my Innisfree, but I will try to vlog this cream again. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. I'm very happy for this. I think I am sponsored by Innisfree, but it's not. It's my friend who gave this to me. Thank you so much, Soyeon. So thank you so much, guys, and hope you guys enjoy your day, and see you again next time. Bye. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.